For anyone who just heard the first time, my name is Boom and this is my channel talking all about Thailand. This video, we are going to mention 5 basic Thai words that everyone should know. First, let's talk about why Thai language is important. Honestly, if you want to go to Thailand nowadays, you don't even have to speak Thai at all because we totally understand English very well, especially in the touristy area like Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Chiang Mai. Those areas, people can understand English and be able to speak English back to you guys very well. But a lot of people still afraid to speak with foreigner. It's quite a little hard for you to get connection with Thai people. But if you use Thai language, just like the easy words that I'm going to teach you today, you will start the conversation with them easier. After you start conversation with them, everything will be easy. The first word of today is the most famous Thai word. That is สวัสดี สวัสดี It means hello or hi. We say that when we meet each other, and we also say that when we say goodbye as well. So we just do like this, called why, right? So we do why when we say สวัสดี สวัสดี have 3 syllables. The first 2 syllables is short. The last one is long. สวัสดี Okay, let's pronounce it together. So the first one is very easy. It's S-A, sa, sa. But the second one, this one is quite hard. If you just start learning Thai, you should know is Thai language. We have 5 tones. When you say different tone, it can be different meaning. Like ma and ma. This is 2 totally different words. So be careful of the tones. I will get into that later. But today, just focus only on สวัสดี So what? This one is the low tone. What? This one, different form. What? What's? What's? No S at all. And no hard D in the end. What? You don't have to be like the in the end. No, in Thai words, we don't have it. The correctly pronunciation is what. What. The last one is very easy. It's just D. Just the D. Like A, B, C, D. Just the D. So you say D. So you smile too. So when you put it together, it's gonna be สวัสดี Again, สวัสดี And when you say it, don't forget to do the Y too. สวัสดี Okay, next word. This word is famous as well. This one I always say after I say สวัสดี I say สวัสดีค่ะ or สวัสดีค่ะ So this word is ค่ะ ค่ะ K-A ค่ะ. It is short word, but if you want to say it long, like ค่ะ it's fine. This one is the same meaning as another word. ครับ ครับ. This one you need to do like ครับ but honestly no one say it like ครับ. So we just say ครับ like C-U-P, like a cup, but you don't have to be hard P in the end. Like when you say cup, you will be right? But in Thai, we don't have to do that. So just ครับ ครับ. And the meaning of ค่ะ and ครับ, actually, it doesn't mean anything. We just put it in the end of the sentence to make that sentence polite. But ค่ะ, the first word, K-A, is for the woman and ครับ for the man. If I, as a woman, I want to say สวัสดี make it politely, it's gonna be สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ And for the guy, ครับ สวัสดีครับ. So if I am a guy, I'm gonna say สวัสดีครับ. The last thing of this word is ค่ะ and ครับ can mean yes. For example, if someone asks me the question, is this right? I say ค่ะ. So it means yes, it's right. Or if I were a guy, someone asks, are you free? And I said, KRAB. It means yes, I'm free. Tips for the woman. This word, actually, ka is the low tone, but only this word, changing the tone, you didn't change the meaning, but change the feeling. You can change the sound to be ka, ka, question words, like high tone, right? So ka. If someone asks me, I want to say pardon me, I say ka, or you say ka. Like when you want something from someone, you say please. I say ka, or I say ka, ka. So it depends on how you're gonna use in that situation. And the fourth word, this word is ขอบคุณ ขอบคุณ mean thank you. We will do the why as well. In Thai, politeness is very important. Like I said, we have KRAB and ka to make every sentence polite. So when you receive something from someone, don't forget to say thank you to them. ขอบคุณ Okay, let's pronounce it. ขอบคุณ have 2 syllables. ขอบคุณ So the first one is long sounds. ขอบ and this word is the low sounds. ขอบ Next is คุณ This one is quite short. คุณ คุณ Okay, let's put it together. ขอบคุณ ขอบคุณ And don't forget, if you are a woman, ขอบคุณค่ะ If you are a guy, ขอบคุณครับ To make that sentence polite. And here comes the last word of the day. ขอโทษ So ขอโทษ is mean sorry. You can use this word when you want to really sorry to someone, or you just accuse someone. Like accuse me, you can say ขอโทษ. Actually, this word is the two words combined together. ขอ and โทษ. ขอ is mean ask, and โทษ is mean false. ขอโทษ when we put it together, it mean ask for apologize. Let's pronounce ขอ. So ขอ is K-O-R. ขอ is not call. It's totally different meaning. So ขอ is raising tone at the end. When you practice, you can say ขอ and plus or is like when you understand something, like some people said and you right? But remember the sound so when you say it together ขอขอขอขอขอ again ขอ Another one is โทษโทษ This one sounds like code, but you put T instead of C, like โทษโทษ So when you put it together ขอโทษ Again ขอโทษ So the why we do when we say hello, thank you, and sorry. สวัสดี ขอบคุณ ขอโทษ. See, speak Thai is not that hard. Remember, practice make perfect. Please leave some comment of what you think about the video. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย